What's going on, y'all? It's Mr. International here. I've been doing this whole vlogging thing. I took a poll. They said they wanted me to start vlogging, so here we go. Big shout out to everybody out there for real, man, supporting me doing my basketball thing. You know what I mean? Hit me up on the FIBA Classic this summer. Then I'm out to DR back again. You know what I mean? Shout out to all my homegirls who support me too, man, for real. Love all y'all, for real. Shout out to my dudes around the way, you know what I mean? Everybody in Canarsie, everybody in Flatbush, for real, man. Shout out to Triple B's. We got two good boys in there, you know what I mean? And they're not better than me. King Dimmons. You already know who I am. Plus, shout out to everybody, you know what I mean? Shout out to my dudes, you know what I mean? Down south. Shout out to my homeboy, aka my cousin, you know what I mean? She, Big Money, I see you down there doing your thing, baby. Shout out to my cousin too, Chase the Warrior, for real. And the kid JR. These two dudes, yeah, they hold me down for real when I'm back home. That's pretty much it, man. This is my video, y'all need. I got another dunk mix coming out, another shooting mix coming out. Hit me up on YouTube. Let me know what y'all think about my, my vlog and my first one. So let me know what's up, man. For real, I'm out of here. Deuces.